Good morning, students. In module first, today I will discuss here mensuration, surface area and volume of solid figures. Class 9th and 10th maths. Now, before starting the topic, I will discuss here some important definition. First one is area. The region enclosed in the given figure is called area. For example, how much area this room covered, enclosed? Or you know very well, sir, this floor. What is the area of this floor? Sir, this floor is rectangular. Area of rectangle is L into B. You find the area enclosed by this room. Clear? Now, next one is volume. The space occupied by a body. For example, this glass, how much amount of water this glass has, that is called volume of the glass, or you can say capacity of this glass. Clear? How much amount of air this room has, that is called capacity of this room, or you can say volume of this room. Surface beta, the part of the solid where we can touch, that is called surface. This one, board surface, this we can touch, duster which we can touch, this wall which we can touch, so that is called surface. Lateral surface area beta, the surface area of the solid except base and top. For example, this room. Sir, this room has how many faces? 6 faces. 4 walls. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 base and 1 top. And here the definition is lateral surface area, the surface area of the solid except base and top. Except base means floor and top. What is left? Sir, 4 walls. So area of the 4 walls is called lateral surface area of this room. What is the lateral surface area of this glass? Sir, this one, because base and top is left except base and top. So this one, this area is called lateral surface area of this glass. And then total surface area beta, the sum of the areas of all possible surfaces. For example, in this room, how many faces? 6 faces. All 4 areas of 4 walls, 1 base and 1 top. It's called total surface area. 4 walls and 1 base and 1 top. What is the total surface area of this glass, sir? Lateral surface area, this one, plus base. So base of this glass is circular, pi r square, because this glass is open at the top. So lateral surface area of this glass plus area of base, that is called total surface area of this glass. Now remember that dimension must be of the same unit. If in this room length, breadth, height, they are different unit, so first of all you convert into the same unit. Clear? So conversion of units, you remember this unit, 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Next one is 1 decimeter equal to 10 centimeter equal to 100 millimeter. 1 meter equal to 10 decimeter equal to 100 centimeter equal to 1000 millimeter. 1 decameter equal to 10 meter equal to 1000 centimeter. 1 hectometer equal to 10 decameter equal to 100 meter. And next one is 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter equal to 100 decameter equal to 10 hectometer. And remember, very important unit, 1 meter cube means if you take a container whose length is 1 meter, breadth is 1 meter, height is 1 meter. It hold 1000 meter of water. Clear? And 1 centimeter cube means 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter breadth, 1 centimeter height. The container has 1 upon 1000 meter of water. Clear? Thank you, students. Okay.